So now let's see how we can start working with Sway documents by creating a new blank Sway document. So to do that, I'm already here on my Sway homepage through my Sway application. So what we have to do is go and click on create new. And what that does is it creates a new Sway document. So over here in the Sway document, you can see that there's storyline view right here and there's the design view right here. In the storyline view, what you can do is you can choose the background. You can go over here, type in your text just like this. So I'm just going to type in TutorTube just like this. And you can see that I can add in more images and you can add in headings and so forth. So let me just go to images, and over here you can see that there's different images that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to background, you can see that Creative Commons is on. I can choose background, add it in right there. And that is how images are added in. And then I can add in more information like lessons at your convenience, just like this. So I can work around with that, and different options to edit these text is given as well. Then you can go on to the design view and see it in a different type of interactive layout as well. So just like that, you can start working around with a blank document. You can go around here as well. You can press the plus button and you can add in different things. Let's say, for example, you want to add in a bit of stack. You can add in content, image, upload. You have an option. So you can just go over here and add in different contexts. Like let's say, for example, text, and start typing in, and everything will be arranged for you over here in the design section. So once you start designing it, you also have option to share and do many things with it, so which you're going to see in future lessons. But if you want to preview this, you can simply play this out and you get a preview of what has been made just like that. You can just go around onto the top and then go back just like that and continue editing it just like that. So that is how you can create a new blank Sway and start working with it in Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.